blocked vent pipe messing with your toilet's flush? Here's how to get it sorted fast. So, first off, you gotta know the vent pipe's job. It lets air into your plumbing system, so water flows smoothly when you flush. If that vent is blocked, your toilet's gonna gurgle, flush slow, or maybe not flush right at all. Start by checking for obvious stuff like leaves, bird nests, or debris on the roof around the vent pipe opening. If you can safely get up there, try using a garden hose to flush water down the vent to clear out any clogs. Another trick is to use a plumber's snake or a long flexible wire to poke through the vent pipe and break up whatever's stuck inside. Remember to wear gloves and be careful on the roof. Safety first, you know? If you can't reach it yourself or it feels too risky, calling a pro plumber is a smart move. Keep an eye out for smells or slow drains too, because those are signs your vent might be blocked again. One of the biggest problems with blocked vent pipes is poor flush performance, which happens because air can't flow properly. To fix this by clearing any debris and ensuring the pipe is open all the way to the roof. Another common issue is sewer gas smells sneaking into your bathroom. That's a clear sign your vent isn't letting gases escape outside like it should. Cleaning or replacing the vent pipe can fix that. Lastly, slow draining sinks and tubs often get blamed on blocked vents since they disrupt airflow in the whole plumbing system. If snaking the drains doesn't help, check the vent pipe next. BigHomeProjects.com makes it easy for homeowners to find trusted local contractors who know how to handle stuff like blocked vent pipes without stress. Contractors also get connected with real customers ready for work, so everyone wins.